Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make a custom game with friends in Rainbow Six Siege X, okay? Now the first thing is gonna be of course to create a lobby with the friends that you wanna invite. In my case, I'm just gonna go to the main menu in here and then I'm just gonna go, to this friends icon in here. As you can see, I'm alone right now, but I can just click on Ubisoft Connect, invite friends from Ubisoft Connect, and this menu is gonna open with all of my friends. Okay, you can just search for any player too. Okay, for example, let's say you want to search for, I don't know, John, whatever. You can totally do this, and you can invite any friend that you want to invite to your basically lobby. Okay, as you can see here, you can add them and you can invite them later. Amazing, guys. Now, after you do this, after your friends are in the lobby, you can just go to playlist, and then you can just click on custom game, and you should click on create online to create, this custom game. And after you set the rules, you can just click on, create as a player, and you're gonna be able to play later. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much.